It's day one of our Easter fun activity for kids. Please watch till the end for a full description of the materials needed. Engage your little ones in this Easter science experiment with just baking soda and vinegar. The kids would have a blast watching the fizzy reactions. It is a hands-on experiment about chemical reactions. Not only is it engaging, but it also develops their fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. You can add colors for more imaginative experiments. All you need is baking soda, vinegar, mini disposable cups, water, syringe, egg carton, and transparent cup. Now place the mini cups in the egg carton and add some baking soda. Mix half water, half vinegar, or use just vinegar, it's the same result, and let the kids explore. It's day 2 of our Easter fun activity. Today's painting activity is guaranteed to be a hit. All you need is different colors of paint, egg-shaped white paper, and plastic eggs. The kids would enjoy using plastic eggs as paint brushes, dipping them into different colors of paint and stamping them onto egg-shaped papers to create unique patterns and designs. They also get a chance to experiment with mixing colors together and observing the fascinating result it brings. This activity is a fun and engaging way for the kids to explore different materials and tools to express themselves creatively, encouraging a deep love for art. It's day 3 of our Easter fun activity. For today's activity, we'll be using Easter critters like chicks, bunnies, and sheep placed on mini cups. Feel free to use any Easter decorations you have on hand and arrange them on similar items. And then get the kids to match the critters on the same line. This fun tasking game enhances cognitive abilities such as critical thinking, problem solving, and decision making, which are essential skills for maths and reading. It's all done. Okay, now let's make a pattern, okay?
Okay.
As children participate in this activity, they are encouraged to use descriptive language as they discuss similarities, differences, and patterns, which helps them expand their vocabulary and improve their language understanding. It's day 4 of our Easter fun activity and we're taking it outside. All you need is egg and spoon. You can add a bit of rice inside the egg to give it some weight. This outdoor egg and spoon race provides a holistic learning experience for kids. It improves balance and coordination, boosts focus and concentration, enhance fine motor skills, and fosters sportsmanship. You can also incorporate turn taking, which helps kids to develop patience and self-control as they wait for their turn. This outdoor activity exposes kids to fresh air while fostering a love for active play and outdoor exploration.
Fail. Mommy has failed. Mommy has failed again. Victoria has failed. And Victoria is the winner.
Well done, Victoria. High five.
I want 5 rounds.
It's day 5 of our Easter fun activity, and we're using homemade Play-Doh, cookie cutters, and plastic eggs. You can grab your Play-Doh from the Palm store if you prefer. This activity offers rich sensory experience for kids, engaging multiple senses such as touch, sight, and even smell. Children can immerse themselves in play for hours without getting bored. Rolling, squeezing, and shaping Play-Doh not only sparks creativity, but also strengthens hand muscles and refines fine motor skills. Play-Doh is a fantastic medium for children to explore their imaginations, allowing them to invent and create whatever they can dream up. One often overlooked benefit of Play-Doh is its ability to provide soothing and calming relief for children. Kneading and squeezing Play-Doh can help them regulate their emotions, easing stress and anxiety levels.
Wow! That was a big egg!
Yeah! Welcome to day 6 of our Easter fun activity. Today, all you need is a board with uppercase letters and lowercase letters on sticky notes, and let the matching begin. This simple yet engaging game provides a hands-on and interactive way for children to practice letter recognition and reinforce foundational skills crucial for literacy development. You can spice things up by adding additional small letters not on the board to see if they can correctly match them. Before I even gave out instructions, Joshua was already trying to add the sounds together to make words, while Victoria was keen on reading the words on the board. This activity not only helps to improve their letter recognition, but also enhances their understanding of sounds, laying a solid foundation for reading, writing, and communication skills.
Happy Easter, viewer, and I hope you had a lovely time watching this video. Bye!